right, we're going to start off with some rain showers as that weather system out in the plain states moves through. Started off as a panhandle hook. It will end as more of a nor'easter, and we're going to start to see snowflakes fly after showers change over to snow tonight, right around the midnight hour, actually, starting off the new year with lake enhanced and then lake effect snow. A winter storm watch will kick in, and even a lake snow warning for one county in particular. Can you guess what that is? We're going to show you here momentarily. But overnight tonight into New Year's Day appears to be the next impact weather event. Snow showers and slick travel. You'll need some extra drive time for sure, and you may even want to think about postponing travel or speeding it up and getting it out of the way earlier rather than later before that window of time kicks in after midnight tonight. There's the rain. That's the initial surge, center of low pressure working its way into the Hoosier State, behind which we find snow. Let's put the maps in motion and show you the National Design Mart hour by hour forecast. As that low takes off to the northeast, it will take the main batch of rain with it, behind which we find the winds lining up for lake effect snow. Let's show you how this all pans out. You can see the initial burst of rain coming through and a gush of moisture after about 9 or 10 in the morning. Then we see it be a little bit more scattered. I would say this is a helter-skelter, nothing really organized raindrops here. This is the 3 o'clock map. And as we fast forward to midnight, the ball will drop. We've got rain out east, snow to the west, and the transition happening at the midnight hour over into snow. So New Year's Day is going to be a bit on the snowy side, especially Cleveland east, the high ground east of the city. Highest potential for these snowflakes to fly. Look at that snow band setting up there. This is after the lunch hour here on Wednesday, New Year's Day. Lake effect snow persistent throughout the day, on and off, with a multi-banded event here, not just over Ashtabula, but also Lake Geauga and Cuyahoga counties, all included in that, even into Thursday morning. Still seeing some lake effect snow. That does begin to quiet down as clouds probably break for a little sun on Thursday afternoon, hopefully. That's always best case scenario, I guess you could say, during lake effect events. But here's a look at our forecast snowfall, and the amounts range anywhere from a coating up to 1 inch, 2 or 3. I would say New Year's Day, most of the action is going to be over the high ground east of Cleveland proper. So several inches of accumulation and a bullseye, a little hot spot there over Geauga County especially. This could change, but as of right now, a lake effect snow warning for Geauga County, according to the National Weather Service, is in effect. Stay tuned, though. That could change. Some of the adjacent counties could also be added or subtracted, depending on how the band will set up. But more than a half a foot of snow is not out of the question. Along with gusty winds, there'll be some blowing and drifting as well, just in time for the new year. All right, here's our forecast. Showers are likely as our rain is developed mid-morning. Highs in the mid-40s. That's about 8 to 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. Rain and snow mixed, changing to all snow. That transition taking place right about when the ball drops, close to the new year coming in with a bang, I suppose. 33, winds northwest, sustained 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting to 40. New Year's Day, blustery, colder, snowy periods of the lake effect variety. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s, but with those gusty winds, wind chill readings in the teens, most likely. We take it out through the weekend. Watch by Friday. You can see lake effect snow here behind another weather system that could lay out a general snow. This is taking us into January 5th. Watch what happens early in the next week. We have a pretty good round of snow for everybody, depending on where this low decides to track along the East Coast. Once it pivots out into the Canadian Maritimes, the winds swing around to the northwest, and that will lock us into more lake effect snow behind that system. So this is a snowy pattern we're in. The Union Home Mortgage Outlook, here you go, 29 on Thursday, lake snow, maybe a few breaks of sun. Snow showers on Friday with another weather system and lake snow behind that. Scattered morning lake effect on Sunday, 29. We'll be in the upper 20s again on Monday for the new week. First full week of the new year here coming up. Snow is likely, and as we look out, upper 20s, mid 20s, and teens to near 20, there's a pretty good batch of Arctic air that appears to be settling in over the Cleveland area. Stay tuned for the latest. We appreciate you stopping by. Hope you guys have a fantastic New Year's Eve and great start to the new year.